to the Ginger Chef. So now we're going to add some butter to our sausages. And that's just going to give it a nice...
Francois!
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 It's time! Welcome back to another episode of The Ginger Genius. In this episode, we will be introducing you to the desktop. What you see in front of you is commonly known as the desktop. This will be the main interface through which you can control your entire computer. The main components of the desktop are the icons, the taskbar, system tray, and the start menu.
Icons are small pictures which represent programs or folders. Normally, all folders have a yellow folder-like picture, and programs have colorful pictures to represent the specific type of program. Icons are used for two main purposes. First is to open up a program, which is called launching, or to quickly navigate to a specific path or folder. The taskbar, located at the bottom of the desktop, is mainly used to show which applications are currently open, and also to allow the user to switch between these different applications or programs. Similarly, the system tray, located to the bottom right of the screen, also allows which applications are running except in the background. These programs are different from the open programs running in the taskbar because you cannot see them.
Next we look at the start menu, located at the bottom left of the desktop. On the left, you'll see a list of commonly used and recently installed applications. On the right, you'll see a list of shortcuts with a user profile located at the top. These shortcuts include a link to your documents, user folder, pictures, music, and even computer. At the bottom right, you have a shutdown button. If you do not wish to shut down but rather restart, you can click on the right arrow.
Right. Now let's take a look at a window. To do this, we're going to click on the shortcut to the user folder. As you can see, all windows have very similar layout. They have a title bar, which usually shows the name of the window. Clicking and dragging the title bar will move the window around. In addition to the title bar, all windows have a border. Clicking and dragging on the border will resize your window. Windows also have a set of management buttons, being minimize, maximize, and close. While the content of the window may change, the layout stays the same. Clicking minimize will move your window into the taskbar. Clicking on the Windows icon will reopen this window. Clicking maximize will increase the size of your window to the size of your screen. Clicking maximize once the screen is in this view will move the window back to its original size. Finally, clicking close will exit the window.
Let's look at the folder, shall we? Now, a folder is used to contain various types of files, or even other folders, also known as subfolders. You can select the folder by left-clicking on it once, or open it by left-clicking twice. Inside this folder, we can create other folders. To do this, left-click on a blank spot, go down to New, and select Folder from the option menu. You can now rename this folder to anything you like, except for reserved characters such as question mark and backslash. Press enter when you're done, and there you have it. Your new folder is ready for use. You're probably wondering now how to go back to the previous folder. To do this, look at the title bar. On the top left, you'll see a left arrow. Click this once to go up one directory. Join us next time where we will be looking at Microsoft Word.
Well, that's it for this episode of The Ginger Genius. Join us next time for another episode. Remember, the F5 key is not the only thing refreshing.
Or am I?